Small changes in plants can sometimes signal a bigger problem. Research often links this condition to Pseudocercospora abelmoschi. Plants experiencing this issue may show signs such as initially, indistinct olive green spots appear on the underside of leaves, especially older leaves near the ground. The mould, ranging from light brown to grey, may form on the surface of infected leaves. As the disease progresses, these spots gradually necrose and may appear on the upper surface of the leaves. Eventually, infected leaves dry out and wilt. Stems and fruits may also be affected with similar symptoms. When infected, the plant may experience complete leaf drop. The symptoms described above can be mistaken for a disease caused by C. maliensis. Several factors can contribute to this, including the leaf spots described above originate from the fungus scientifically known as Pseudocercospora abelmoschi. This fungus survives the winter on infected plant debris in the soil, subsequently infecting the roots and lower leaves of okra plants. On the host plant, fungal spores are secondary spread by wind, rain, irrigation water, and gardening tools. Leaf spots often appear in humid weather, during the okra flowering period, because this fungus thrives in hot, humid conditions. You may first try organic solutions like, to date, we are not aware of any biological control measures that can combat this disease. If you know of any methods that can minimize the spread or severity of symptoms, please contact us. In more advanced situations, treatments may involve, in all cases, consider combining preventative measures with feasible biological control measures. Spray fungicide on the underside of leaves in the late afternoon. Use preventative fungicides such as copper oxychloride 0.3%, mancozeb 0.25%, or zeneb 0.2% 1 month after sowing, and repeat every 2 weeks, depending on the severity of the disease. Using carbendazim 50DF 0.1% every 15 days has also shown significant disease control results. To help protect plants from this issue, use only certified seeds and ensure proper spacing between plants so that leaves can dry properly through aeration. Monitor the orchard regularly, removing and destroying infected leaves appropriately. Burning them is a good option. Manage weeds effectively. Avoid stressing the plants by providing adequate watering and fertilization. Water the plants in the morning instead of in the evening, and avoid overhead watering. Also, avoid planting okra in areas with poor drainage. Consider rotating okra with non-host plants. Overall, remember that angular, sooty black spots appear on the underside of the leaves. Leaves dry out, wilt, and gradually discolour. Stems and fruits are also affected. Follow the channel for more plant care knowledge.